The nature of energy. What is energy? I will tell you one thing energy is not. Energy is not matter. While you are listening to this, changes are taking place all around you. The sun is shining on the plants, electricity is zooming to your computer, leaves are rustling outside, and you may be eating a snack which was created with energy and now is about to give you energy. Every change that occurs, large or small, involves energy. When something is able to change its environment or itself, it has energy. Energy is the ability to cause change. You use energy when getting ready for school in the morning, walking down the stairs to grab a bite to eat, even blinking or yawning needs energy. There are many different forms of energy: electrical, chemical, radiant, and thermal. When you turn on the lights in your morning and you are using electrical energy, this electrical energy can change into, for example, thermal energy when you add toast to a toaster. The toast then acts as chemical energy as you eat it, providing you nutrition. Radiant energy from the sun travels through space to reach Earth, helping warm the planet and providing energy for plants. An object in motion has energy, and this energy is called kinetic energy. Usually when you think of energy, you think of something in action, for example, a ball being thrown, a person on a swing, or a kid going down a slide. The kinetic energy of a moving object depends on the object's mass and its speed. Energy does not have to involve motion. Even motionless objects can have energy. Objects store energy, therefore the object has potential to cause change. A soccer ball sitting in the middle of a field has stored energy. When a person kicks the ball, the energy is transferred from the person to the ball. Stored energy due to position is called potential energy. If the ball stayed on the ground, it will keep the stored energy or the potential energy due to its placement on the ground. Once it is kicked, that stored energy of position is converted to energy of motion or kinetic energy. There are three types of potential energy. Have you ever used a rubber band in a slingshot or jumped on a trampoline that is held to the frame with springs? Once you let go of that rubber band or you jump on that trampoline and go flying through the air, now you have kinetic energy due to your motion. Well, where did this kinetic energy come from? Just as the ball in the field had potential energy, the stretched rubber band and the trampoline have energy stored as elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy is energy stored by something that can stretch or compress, like the rubber band or the spring. Anything that can fall has stored energy called gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is energy stored by objects due to their position above Earth's surface. The gravitational potential energy of an object depends on the object's mass and the height above the ground. Look at this cue ball on the edge of the pool table pocket. If I compare that with a large boulder up on top of a cliff, which of the objects has the most gravitational potential energy? Gravitational potential energy of an object can be increased by increasing the height of an object above the ground. If two objects are at the same height, then the object with the larger mass has more gravitational potential energy. In the example I just gave, the boulder, which is higher and definitely has more mass, has more gravitational potential energy and will be moving faster and have more kinetic energy when it hits the bottom. An apple that you eat for snack also contains stored energy. Another example of stored energy is gasoline in the shed that will be later put into the lawnmower. The gasoline stores energy in the same way the apple stores energy, in the chemical bonds between atoms. Energy stored in chemical bonds is called chemical potential energy. When the chemical bonds are broken from eating the apple or burning the gasoline in the lawnmower, a chemical reaction occurs, allowing the chemical potential energy to be released.